Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics.
Section 4.5, Problem 1. This is Section 4.5, Problem 1. It says translate the sentence into an equation, do not solve. So we have 21% of 60 is what number? So there are certain keywords that you use. Of is always going to mean multiply, is will always mean equal. So 21% of 60, so 21% of means multiply, so 21% times 60 becomes equal. What number is unknown? So we just use n for number. Now, as an equation, it's a little bit better if you write the 21% as a decimal. So for a decimal, I'm going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So it's 0.21 times 60 equals n. So now we've converted the sentence into an equation. And at this point, it could be solved easily enough.